How to estimate shipping on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can estimate shipping on Pandabuy, that is on your Pandabuy account. Now, this is very simple. You can always estimate your shipping fee or estimate shipping on Pandabuy. How do you do this? The first thing is to log into your Pandabuy account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the right side of the screen, next to your profile icon, you will see estimation with arithmetic signs. Just click on estimation. So once you click on it, on the estimation page, you see shipping fee estimation. It incorporates many international logistic companies. Whereby offers the nice Z discount. Here you can just then for you to be able to estimate, you have to select the destination. That is from Pandabuy to which destination. For me, it's Nigeria. So you can just click on okay, Nigeria is not here. Then just select any each of the countries you fall under here. Okay, this is for the odds and then for the ABC. Definitely you see Nigeria here. Just select your country and then item category, select it, then enter the weight, the length, the width, the height. After that, you inquire. If you do not input this information, the information that has been asked, you would not be able to estimate your shopping fee. But once you input all of the information required here, you can just go ahead and click on inquire. Once you click on inquire, you would be able to see an estimated shipping fee. Through this, you would know how much you would be spending in getting a particular product, and you'll be able to decide if you want to go ahead to get that product or not. So this is how you can estimate shipping on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching this video.